Hi, it's Kevin from Blum, Canada. I'm going to talk to you today about the AVENTOS HF Top. Considered a more technical application, but I'm going to show you how simple we can get it done using our eServices platform and the Cabinet Configurator. Let me show you how. This is the eServices window. I'm going to click on the Cabinet Configurator, do a new configuration. I'm going to set up all the information with regards to this cabinet, all the height, the width, the depth, material thicknesses, and the gaps. By doing the design option, I'm going to put in a horizontal gap to separate the two doors for the AVENTOS HF, and you can see the line turns blue, which gives me an equal mark position. Now I'm going to add the fittings, pick the lift systems, I'm going to pick the AVENTOS HF, and I'm going to drag it in. Now with the Cabinet Configurator, I don't have to worry about the door weights because this is going to calculate it for me based on all the information I've pre-entered. Now when the Cabinet Configurator or the product configurator shows up, I am going to select the HF top. I am now going to pick my color, cover cap color. I'm going to pick light gray. I'm going to do a wood door, and my gap predetermined already from the information I get at 3 millimeters between the fronts. Now I'm going to pick the chipboard screw system, which is the very easy and simple method for the top family of lift systems for us today, and I'm going to pick the inserter program. Now this is all more or less defaulted from all the systems here, all the gap numbers and everything else, the horizontal versus cruciform plates, and all the different systems of plates and screws. Now I'm going to do the screw-on mounting plate. I am going to do what we call a 0 mil or standard and stamped steel cam height adjustment. I'm going to have a knock-in boss for the hinge in the middle of the center hinge, and my height adjustments and everything else are set predetermined. I'm going to click next because it is now saying I can do this, and now I'm going to get an option for whether or not I want to put in any restrictor clips, hinge cover caps, or anything else. Now I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to take all that information that I've entered in. It's going to automatically plug it into the cabinet. Now this is all CAD based, so all the information here can be transferred out to even higher level machinery. When I hit the result, what the advantage is here is now all that calculations of the hinge positions and lift systems are all taken care of. And when I look at the configuration details and I do a PDF download, you will see that I'm going to get every aspect of this cabinet, including parts lists. I'm going to get a draft drawing capable systems. And as you can see here, this is my left and right gables. And I'm also going to see all the perfect drillings for my hinges in place, including my plates. So the AVENTOS HF top, although it does look very difficult, is a very easy system to assemble when you use our eServices platform. Now that I've ordered the parts through the Cabinet Configurator by emptying out the parts list into my distributor shopping basket, I've got the parts in front of me. Now I've pre-drilled the systems for the hinges, the hinge plates, and as you see here, I also have the hinge arms available. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to mount the lift mechanism for the AVENTOS HF. The top family is a very simple way of attaching the systems. I have the cover cap. I'm going to put it up to the top, so I've got the perfect gap. And I'm going to align the mechanism to it, and this yellow adapter here gives me the perfect front to back. Now with the screws provided, I'm going to put in the 4 screws in these positions, and I'm going to secure it all in place. With the mechanism installed, now I'm going to place the cover cap. And it goes on very easily, clips in place. Once we have the cover cap on, I can also mount the extension levers. The extension levers is adjustable for depending on the height of the door that we have, but it also has this lever once it's locked in place. Now I've already pre-adjusted it, so we don't have to worry about that. It assembles very simple. I put it in and it clicks. Put the other side in and it clicks. Now this acts now as my third hand to support a bigger, heavier door. It would be easy by just sliding the door on. And with our clip technology, I'm going to click on the hinges, and I'm going to move towards my bottom door with the breakaway hinges here. This is a little trickier to manage because I'm doing it without the assistance of the lever. Very simple. And with these levers, I'm going to bring it down and mount it to the hinge arm and the hinge plates with the clip. Do the same with the bottom one. And now I have my AVENTOS HF top doors installed, and I've taken what appears to be the most complicated system and made it very easy using our eServices platform and the Cabinet Configurator. It's that simple. Thanks for watching and follow us for more at Blum Canada.